Hi Brainy buddies. Today I have an exciting video called Facts About Animals. Do you know anything about animals? Comment down below. And subscribe to my channel. And hit the like button. And enjoy the video. Number 1. Elephants. Elephants has a good remembering skill. And long ears. Calves can stand within 20 minutes of birth. Their trunks have mad skills. Number 2. Lion. Lions roar. Can be heard up to 8 km. Female lions are the main hunters. Lions are the only cats that live in groups. Number 3. Cheetah. A cheetah's claws don't retract when they run. Instead, they act like cleats to help the cheetah reach its top speeds. When running, cheetahs use their tail to steer, like a rudder for a boat. Those black tear lines on either side of a cheetah's nose function like a football player's black face paint, keeping the sun out of the big cat's eyes while they hunt. Number 4. Leopard. Most leopards are light-colored and have dark spots on their fur. Leopards can be found in various places around the world. They live in sub-Saharan Africa, Northeast Africa, Central Asia, India, and China. Leopards are fast felines and can run at up to 58 km per hour. Number 5. Tiger. Tigers are the largest cat species in the world, reaching up to 3.3 meters in length and weighing up to 670 pounds. Tigers are easily recognizable with their dark vertical stripes and reddish/orange fur. The Bengal tiger is the most common tiger.